Did you know the only woman to rule China as emperor killed her own baby to seize power? In 649 AD, Wu Zetian entered the imperial palace as a lowly concubine, trapped at the bottom of a brutal hierarchy, but she had bigger plans. When the empress threatened her position, Wu made an unthinkable choice. She killed her own newborn daughter and blamed the empress for the murder. The emperor believed her lies, and the empress was banished forever. One by one, Wu eliminated every rival who stood in her way. She built a network of spies and torture chambers throughout the capital. Officials who opposed her faced horrific deaths, their hands and feet cut off before being drowned in vats of wine. Even the crown prince wasn't safe from her ambition. By 690 AD, she had murdered hundreds and declared herself emperor. For 15 years, she ruled the Tang dynasty with absolute power, all because she was willing to sacrifice everything, even her own child.